What up, guys?
Yep, Cooking with Martin. We have a special guest.
Introduce yourself.
Wally West.
This is a short video, yeah. So we got some tortillas.
Hurry up, mate.
And we got some dough balls, and then we got the chicken things that we're gonna put in tortillas. Wow, wow. 1 done. 2, 3, 4. Wait, no.
5.
5,
There's too much
6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ah, okay. Never mind, 16. Pizza slices.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 17, 18, 19. Let's go with the sauces. 19, 20. So this is actually all the food. We have no room space in my room, and don't worry why we're in my room. We just sit on the floor.